Good afternoon, friends. Today I am going to tell about the television. Television is popularly known as an idiot box which plays a crucial role in the life of the man. Uh, TV is the great device of entertainment. It is the greatest invention of man. Uh,
How it makes us idiot.
If we watch TV for a long time, it makes us idiot, and if we watch TV for studies and enhancing our knowledge, it makes us intelligent box.
It makes us intelligent.
It makes us intelligent. TV TV has many benefits, including that the man are watching TV for their entertainment. There are many news channels and there are many discoveries in which we can enhance our
Through
knowledge. Through which we can enhance our knowledge and information about what is going in the world.
As do you think that nowadays it is mainly an idiot box because there are so many TV serials, so many reality shows are being telecasted which are just meaningless. The serials and the reality shows.
Yes, there are many reality shows in the TV which are meaningless.
Do you know some names? One of the program I was watching Khatron Ke Khiladi. Do you think that it is meaningful? Khatron Ke Khiladi.
Yes, yes ma'am.
How? Have you seen it? Have you seen Khatron Ke Khiladi?
No.
So how can you say that yes,
No,
ma'am?
I have seen it.
So how it is good for children? Do you think that some programs spoil habits of children?
Yes, there are many programs that spoil habits for children.
Of children. Do you think that children start imitating some of the characters?
Yes, the children start imitating and they see the actions in the programs and the reels, so they start doing like that and not obey their elders. So, in my opinion, I would like to say that TV is just a device which is in the hand of man. It can also make it eat. The man can also become idiot by watching TV, and the man can also become intelligent.
Okay. Do you think that children are intelligent enough or sensible enough that they can decide themselves that they should watch a particular program or not?
Yes, they are able enough to decide what thing they have to watch. But nowadays, children are just seeing the bad programs.
Okay. Do you watch television?
Yes, I watch television.
For how many hours do you watch it?
I watch it for half an hour.
Only for 30 minutes. Which is your favorite program?
My favorite program is
Which is your favorite program? Any cartoon, serial, or any show, reality show? You watch television for 30 minutes only and you are not able to tell about your favorite program. Do you have sufficient time after attending school and after coming to coaching? Do you get sufficient time to watch television?
during summer breaks I got sufficient time, but during school hours I can't get.
Okay. So nowadays, during your vacation, which program you are watching?
I am watching serials and.
Can you tell me
shows.
the name of any one serial? Any serial? Name of any serial? You don't know the name? Do you know the name of any serial? Yes or no? Don't waste the time. Do you know the name of any serial?
No.
Okay. So, do you know the name of any program which you are watching nowadays?
Many. I am watching nowadays some movies and
Recently, have you watched any movie?
yes,
What is the name of that movie?
I have watched.
You don't know the name of the movie.
No, I know na.
So, speak fast.
I have watched the latest movie. That.
Yes.
Yeah, India.
Have you forgotten
Mr.
the
India.
Mr. India? Okay. Mr. India. Who is the protagonist or the main character of this movie?
The main character of the movie is one.
Mr. India.
Yes, and in that movie there was the one watch. If we put the button, so they become.
If we switch
invisible.
on the button,
Yes.
after there is a wristwatch.
Yes.
So after wearing that wristwatch,
If we switch on the button, so we get invisible.
okay. Do you think that the invisibility of ones can help to stop all kinds of crimes or violence? If really we get a Mr. India nowadays, okay, in our present life, if we really get a Mr. India, so can all crimes or problems can be stopped, can be removed from our society? Do you think that?
Yes, I think that.
Okay, suppose you have become Mr. India, you got that watch. Okay, so after being invisible, which crime would you like to stop?
I would like to stop the crimes in the bank and the murder.
Okay, you would like to save the life of people.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. Anything in the last you want to say about television?